Hi, today I'm running with POCO M5 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and that it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock works here fast and correct. This is the good result for the face unlock feature. We can just in 1 second unlock the device. This is the good result. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the PIN code or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.